Do you want to hear something that no one else is going to tell you right now? Your dreams, your goals, your plans, and your expectations might be really harming you. Now, that sounds strange, right? Because everywhere we go, we're encouraged to have dreams. We're encouraged to think about the future. We're encouraged to make plans. And you feel kind of stupid if you don't have plans. You feel kind of silly if you don't have a great big dream of some sort. And I hope you have great big dreams. I hope you do have some plans. I hope you do have some expectations. But I want to tell you this, that when you start planning your life with those things, you're starting in the wrong place. We're starting at the wrong end of the journey. Scripture tells us that the place to start is not the dream, but the process. That nothing changes just by dreaming about it. Things change when we work the process to get to those dreams. And so this week I have a scripture from 1 Peter. And in the first part of the scripture, it tells us about the great big dream God has for your life, the eternal dream God has for you, and that we ought to have for ourselves. But then most importantly, it says, therefore, because of this big dream, here are 3 things we need to do. 3 things we need to hold on to. 3 parts of the process that'll help us get to where we want to go. It doesn't help to have the big dream without the process. And so this week, that's what we're going to talk about. A really practical sermon that is called Process Produces Progress. Why your dreams might be hurting you and what to do instead. And I'm going to give you something really practical, something really useful, something really encouraging and hopeful, something I think that'll be really, really good. Just a reminder that we are starting our summer schedule this Sunday, and so that means we do not have Sunday school or Bible study at 10 o'clock. That is suspended for the months of July and August. We're going to bring them back in September as we did last year. So don't forget that. Just show up at 11 and we'll spend that hour together worshiping and being together and visiting and catching up. That'll be really great. We'll see you then.